Welcome to our Year 3 Presentation Assembly for 2021. My name is Brendan and along with Carly, we're your hosts for today.
My name is Carly and I would like to invite Bronte to acknowledge country.
Warami, my name is Bronte. I would like to acknowledge that the land, water and sky where I learn each day belongs to the Darug people. Every day the children, staff and community at York Public School learn together. We are grateful to the Darug elders past and present and respect that their history, culture and language have shaped this place. The future of the Darug nation is in good hands as we strive to preserve the history, culture and languages of the First Nations people through developing knowledge, understanding, tolerance, strength, love and kindness in all that we do. Didjuri.
Thank you, Bronte. Please stand for the playing of the York School song. Please remember, there is no singing.
Please sit quietly. I would now like to introduce our principal, Mrs. Robbins, to address the assembly.
Thank you, Carly. Welcome teachers and students to our 2021 presentation day. I extend a warm welcome to everyone watching at home. Well, what a year it was. Little did we know that your parents would become your teachers this year for nearly half of the year, and what a tremendous job your parents did as teachers. We usually take this opportunity at the end of the year to thank the teachers, but this year I need to thank the parents and the teachers alike. Thanks for being so creative, inventive, resourceful, patient, caring, resilient, and most of all, keeping it together under extremely stressful times when anxiety is high everywhere. Our Year 3 teachers were amazing. They worked tirelessly from home each day and even became Uber drivers, delivering our learning packs to the students that couldn't access technology. They really did go above and beyond. They say it takes a village to raise a child. This year, more than ever in our recent history, this saying is true. Teachers and parents came together to keep our students learning in difficult times, and we succeeded. We're always looking at ways to improve our school inside and outside of the classroom, and I'm pleased to announce that next year we will be installing a supersized sandpit next to the play equipment with lots more quiet areas and seating areas in the playground. Not just quiet spaces for when you need a break at lunch, but we really want to bring the learning outside for the teachers. Our Year 3 students of 2021 have proven to be our most resilient learners yet. Thank you for being a wonderful cohort, and I wish you all the best as you move on to Year 4, which is hard to believe, next year, and let's hope 2022 is a brighter year for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Robbins. Our first awards are for classroom performance. Teachers will announce their award recipients for academic excellence, outstanding application and citizenship.
Mrs. Boyd, would you please come to the stage to announce the Year 3 awards for 3-4B?
Good morning, everyone. My first year at York. What a year it's been. A wonderful class. I want to congratulate everyone in 3-4B for their hard work. We've had wonderful times this year and learnt a lot, I think, and a lot about being resilient as well. Okay, so my first award winner is Dylan Clarkson for academic achievement. And then I'd like to also call up Alexander Beale for citizenship. Citizenship. Okay, thank you and congratulations to these people.
Thank you, Miss Boyd. Our next class is 3C, and I'd like to invite Mrs. Chalk and Miss Sherwood to the stage to announce their class awards.
Okay, we had an amazing time this year in 3C. We honestly have the best class in the school, sorry everybody. And I wish that I could give you all an award. I really, really do. Okay, so our first award is for academic achievement, and that goes to Phoebe Ryan. Our next lot of awards are for outstanding application. The first one is for Keely Fenton. Also for outstanding application, William Morris. And our last one for outstanding application is Michaela Hazel. Okay, we have 2 awards for citizenship. Our first one is for Jackson Brown. And for Benjamin Lees. Fantastic job, everybody. Let's give them one more round of applause.
Thank you, Mrs. Chalk and Mrs. Sherwood. Mrs. Robertson, would you please announce your class awards?
It is also my first year at York too, and 3R have made it so amazing and everyone has made me feel so welcome. It was very hard to only pick a few people, and like Mrs. Sherwood said, I would love to give you all an award. And you're all amazing in my eyes. So the first award for academic achievement goes to Charlotte Smith. For outstanding application, the first award is Aaliyah Stevens. Outstanding application, the second is Ganae Cumbod. And the third award for outstanding application is Brady Gillard. Our first citizenship award goes to Dante Logan Bolt. And the second citizenship award goes to Luella Bergen. Well done to these award winners and everyone in 3R.
Thank you, Miss Robertson. I would now like to invite Miss Chalk to announce the Year 3 Pupil of the Year and Miss Robbins to present this.
Good morning, everybody. Well, what an end to a year we've had, hey? It's been pretty interesting, but you have been amazing throughout the whole thing. And we're extremely proud of you. And you're all our favourites. Okay, the Year 3 Pupil of the Year. Ruby has been chosen as the Pupil of the Year for Year 3 because she has been an enthusiastic participant in school life in 2021. Academically, Ruby has shown a positive attitude and an outstanding commitment to her learning, working solidly within the class and achieving excellent results. She willingly accepts challenges and shows perseverance and resilience in all areas of her learning. She is cheerful, self-motivated, and demonstrates excellent sportsmanship both in and out of the classroom. Ruby is a friendly, polite, and well-mannered student who follows the classroom and playground expectations. She is a wonderful role model for her peers. Congratulations on an excellent year. Now, we have a lot of Rubies. Mrs. Robertson, could you share your Ruby?
Yes, Ruby McDermott. Ruby's a popular name.
Oh, it is. And a beautiful name too. Here you go.
Everyone give her a big clap.
Extracurricular awards will now be announced by Mrs. Chalk.
Okay, this year we've got 2 extracurricular awards. Now, an extracurricular award is when you take part in something that's above your normal classwork. So we've got a choir award this year for Harmony Greater X in 3C. The next award is close to my heart because I joined this group. I wasn't very good, but the kids helped me, and that was the Yorkalalies. This year's Yorkalalies award goes to Jack Brown. Well done. Good job.
Okay, let's give him a round.
Congratulations, award winners. That concludes the Year 3 awards. Would you please stand for the playing of the National Anthem?
Please sit quietly. Parents and friends of York, thank you for attending our assembly. Thank you to our organising teachers for helping us make this presentation day a success. We would also like to thank our office ladies for their tireless work in organising today. Please give them all a round of applause.
Parents and friends of York, thank you for support throughout this difficult year. We wish you a peaceful and joyous Christmas.
Students, please listen to your teacher's instructions. Thank you, everyone.